Hey, come on, what a very beautiful day. It's really great to have a beautiful sunny morning on the 27th day of the month of June 2010 as we have to move on with your balloncam.com Ballesteros. Come on, let's all together watch the sun goes up in the horizon as we have to welcome another very beautiful day. And it's really beautiful sunny, and I would like everybody down there to be joining me in. Come on, let's make our day beautiful Sunday. Remember, this is your balloncam.com Ballesteros saying, have a nice day. So today on your baloncam.com Ballesteros, we now feature one of the Filipino products and ingenuity, and this is what we call the Induyan or Indayon. In English, it's known as the hammock, wherein it is something like a vessel where you can lie down and then swing it to and fro. Then later on, you can go to a deep slumber, particularly when it is hanged under the shades of trees. During summer, this is very popular, wherein at noontime you can lie down and take a nap, and of course, have a nice sleep. So, this hammock or induyan or indayon is made up of woven rattan slats. Okay, it is really hand woven. It's a product of Filipino ingenuity, making use of raw materials available in our tropical forests. Forests, yeah. Mhm. And the technique of this is, well, it should be tied at both ends, then attached firmly into a post on both ends, I mean, that will make the whole hammock hanging over, of course, over the ground. Okay. It is advisable that it should be placed in a shady area so that whenever you have to use it, it's always fresh with fresh air. And you can just imagine if this is to be swayed to and fro, there it goes. Well, well, well. It's a nice to invite a nice, nice sleep. This is your hammock. In English and in Ilocano, we call it Indayun or Induyan out of woven rattan slats. Okay, so this is how a hammock functions, no? It keeps swaying to and fro. Then later on, you'll have to go to a sound sleep. Then, so this is the function of yung induyan or duyan. In English, it's called the hammock. Oh, see? It's very nice. Hmm.